Unique CAD Training. Lesson 2. As you seen in video thumbnail. This video will give you maximum details about basics of CAD. Please watch till the end. Let's start the video. Double-click on AutoCAD icon to open the application. After you launch AutoCAD, click on the Get Started Drawing button to begin a new drawing. You'll notice a standard tabbed ribbon across the top of the drawing area. You can access nearly all the commands presented in this guide from the Home tab. From this Home tab we will find all commands which needs for a 2D draftman. In addition to ribbon tools, the quick access toolbar having most used commands such as new, open, save, save as, print, undo, and so on. Next, the command window. The heart of the program is the command window, which is normally docked at the bottom of the application window. The command window displays commands, options, and messages. You can enter commands directly in the command window instead of using the ribbon, toolbars, and menus. Many long-time users prefer this method. Notice that as you start to type a command, it is completed automatically. You can make your choice by clicking on it, or using the arrow keys, and then pressing enter, or the space bar. Next, new drawing template. You can easily conform to industry or company standards by specifying settings for text, dimensions, line types, and several other features. All these settings can be saved in a drawing template file. Click New to choose from several drawing template files. For imperial drawings that assume your units are inches, use a CAD file. For metric units that assume your units are millimeters, use a CAD ISO file. Most companies use drawing template files that conform to company standards. They will often use different drawing template files depending on the project or the client. Create your own drawing template file. You can save any drawing, that is DWG file, as a drawing template, that is DWT file. Now, the new drawing template file is created. You can also open any existing drawing template file, modify it, and then save it again, with a different file name if needed. Click Ctrl-O. From the Files Type tab, select the drawing template file you want to modify. Make the required modification and save the file. Units. When you first start a drawing, you need to decide what the length of one unit represents. An inch, foot, centimeter, kilometer, or some other unit of length. After you decide what unit of length that you want to use, the units command lets you control several unit display settings. Format or type. Precision. If you plan to work in feet and inches, set the unit type to architectural. If you plan to use metric units, set the unit type set to decimal. Important note. If you need to change the unit settings, make sure that you save the drawing as a drawing template file. Otherwise, you will need to change the unit settings for each new drawing. Drawing limits. Type limit in command window. Click Enter. Enter the XY coordinates of the lower left corner of the grid limits. Enter the coordinates of the upper right corner of the grid limits. Drawing limits sets an invisible rectangular boundary in the drawing area that can limit the grid display and limit clicking or entering point locations. After setting the limit, type Zoom and select All. By zooming all, limited working area will adjust to our window size. Now the drawing sheet is ready to draft. Model scale. Always create your models at full size, 1:1 scale. The term model refers to the geometry of your design. A drawing includes the model geometry along with the notes, dimensions, tables, and the title block displayed in the layout. You can specify the scaling that is necessary to print a drawing on a standard-sized sheet later, when you create the layout.
Thank you for watching till the end. Click here to subscribe my channel. Click here for my latest video. Click here for best AutoCAD settings.